Hello everyone. As we have earlier performed experiment 4 regarding half subtractor and full subtractor on our virtual lab, so today we will discuss how to perform this experiment on breadboard. As we know, half subtractor is used for subtraction of 2 bits, while full subtractor is used for the subtraction of more than 2 bits. Half adder generally we use for the LSB subtraction when we subtract two multi-bit numbers. So for the LSB subtraction we use half subtractor. For the subsequent stages we require to include borrow input from the previous stage also. So there we use full subtractor. So you can see this is the block diagram of half subtractor. We require two inputs and it will give two outputs, difference and borrow. So in this truth table we can see if we are subtracting b from a, so 0 0, so we will get d0, borrow 0, 0 minus 1, so it will give we will require one borrow and difference will be 1, then 1 minus 0, difference will be 1, borrow 0, 1 minus 1, 0 0. We have two inputs, so there will be four combinations for input. So through K-map simplification technique, we get this minimized equation for difference and borrow. The difference is XOR operation between the two inputs, while borrow is A bar B. So we are taking complement of minuend and we are ending it with the subtractant. So we are subtracting A minus B, so A will be minuend and this will be subtractant. Now this is the circuit for half subtractor. We require 3 ICs: XOR IC 7486, NOT IC 7404 and IC 7408. So we will give inputs, two inputs A and B to first and second pin of this XOR IC, and we will get the output from third pin of this XOR IC. A input, which is minuend, we will give it to first pin of 7404 and we will get the output from second pin. We will give this output from second pin to first pin of the 7408, which is AND gate IC, and this second input B we will give to second pin, and at the third pin of this 7408 IC we will get the output, which is our borrow. Now coming to full subtractor, we will give two inputs along with the borrow from previous stage. So three inputs altogether, three inputs are there, and we will get two outputs, difference and borrow out. So we have three variables, so in total 8 combinations will be possible. So here what we will subtract B from A minus B, and from whatever difference we get from here, so we will subtract B in from that. So it will be A minus B minus B in. So 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. So difference and borrow out is 0. Then in this case A is 0, B is 0, so difference will be 0, no borrow. Then 0 minus 1, so 0 minus 1, in that case borrow will be 1 and difference will be 1. Then here 0 minus 1, so borrow will be 1 and difference will be 1, 1 minus 0, 1, so difference is 1 and borrow is there. So similarly you can fill all the entries in this truth table. Now using this truth table we can form this K-map, and through simplification we will get this equation for difference A XOR B in. For borrow it will be A bar B or A XOR B bar dot B in. So this way you can get the difference and borrow out in full subtractor. Now this is the circuit for full subtractor. A is minuend, B is subtractant, we are subtracting A minus B, and then from that difference we are subtracting borrow in. So this is, you can see full subtractor can be made from two half subtractors. This is the first half subtractor and this one is the second. And by using this OR gate, we will OR both the borrows from both the stages, and we get the final borrow. So for difference we require these two XOR gates, and for borrow we OR both the borrows from both the stages. So we can see we use two half subtractors and one OR gate to form full subtractor using half subtractors. So to design and test this half and full subtractor on breadboard, we require hardware which are hardware in which we require different ICs: AND gate IC, OR gate IC, NOT gate IC, and XOR gate IC. These are the IC numbers for specific gates, and we require breadboard to implement the circuit, power supply, connecting wires to make connections, and LED to show the status of output. Now we have already done software simulation for this experiment on virtual lab. We have used digital electronics lab under virtual labs. Now coming to the procedure, you have to know the pin configuration of each IC. So you can see the data sheets of ICs for pin configuration. Then you have to connect plus 5 volt and ground leads of the power supply to power and ground bus strips on the breadboard, which are the horizontal holes which are shorted, which are present at the top and bottom of the breadboard. Now you place the IC on the breadboard, you look for the notch, and the pin at the lower left corner of the notch will be your pin 1. You hold the IC and you keep the notch at the left hand side, and then you will find that at the lower left corner it will be pin 1. And next apply a high voltage to pin 14 to all pin 14 of all the ICs, and provide ground voltage to all the pin 7. Then you select a particular connection and place a piece of hook wire between corresponding pins of the chips on the breadboard. Make all the connections which are required to form the schematic, and after connecting the circuit properly, switch on the power supply. Finally, you observe the output for different input combinations and match it with the truth table given. Now we will see how to implement it on the lab. So we know we have to design and test a half and full subtractor circuit using IC gates. So these are the ICs required: 7404, 7486, 7408, and 7432. So for subtraction of 2 bits we require half subtractor. For subtraction of more than 2 bits we require full subtractor. Now this is the circuit for half subtractor. As we can see, two inputs we are giving to XOR gate to get the difference. Then through NOT gate you are giving one input and other input, and through the AND gate and you get the borrow. So this is XOR IC, this is and this is OR. Not and OR. Not and OR. So here we are implementing half subtractor. So we require 3 ICs only: XOR, NOT, and AND. So you are giving input through these switches to this IC, which is XOR gate IC. So 1 and 2 you are giving the input and you get the output from third pin. You are also giving this first input to the inverter gate, this NOT gate. So you will connect this X or A to first pin of inverter. So you are giving it to NOT gate. Then at 2 you are getting its complement, which you will give to this AND gate input first pin to get the borrow. Then second input you are giving to second pin of this AND gate directly to AND gate. You don't require any inverter here. And finally you get output from third pin of this XOR IC and borrow from third pin of this AND gate IC. So from here you are giving second input B to this AND gate also, and from third pin of this XOR you are getting difference. This is your difference, and from third pin of this AND gate you are getting borrow, which is A bar B. Now we will verify the truth table of half subtractor. So first is 0 0, so difference will be 0, borrow 0, so both are 0 0, so we are getting both difference and borrow 0. Now coming to 0 minus 1, so 0 minus 1, then both difference and borrow should be 1, so both LEDs should glow. So we are giving 1 to both inputs, 0 and 1, 0 to first input, 1 to second, so both the LEDs are glowing, that means borrow and difference both are 1. Now 1 0 combination, 1 minus 0, so difference is 1, borrow is 0, so difference LED for difference will glow, while with the one which is for borrow will not glow. And finally for 1 1 we will get 0 0. So this is 1 0, so difference is 1, borrow is 0, then both are 1, so difference is 0, borrow is 0. So this way we have verified the truth table for half subtractor. Now we will go for full subtractor. Now this much we have implemented half subtractor, this circuit we have implemented, this much we have implemented. Now what we have to do, we have to give this third which we were using as a difference in half subtractor through NOT gate. So NOT gate 1 and 2 and 3 pin we have used, so we will give it to, so 1 and 2 NOT gate, 1 and 2 we have used, so 3 and 4 we will use NOT gate. So this way we are giving this NOT gate, we are making ground, the seventh pin ground of these two ICs, which is NOT and XOR, NOT and OR. Then so 14th pin is connected to VCC and 7th pin to ground. Now for this third output, which is A XOR B or X XOR Y, we are giving it to input of another XOR. So here we have given that third output from third to fourth pin, then this third you are connecting to this inverter, and from that you are getting output. So this 3 you will connect to third pin of NOT gate, not third pin of NOT gate, and you will get, so this you are giving to AND gate also. You are connecting the inputs. So you have connected this to inverter, and then you have connected to AND gate. Then this B in you have connected to this AND also, and this XOR also. Now you give this output of this AND gate to OR gate, and this borrow from previous half subtractor, first half subtractor you give to this OR. So you are giving this input to this OR gate. You are getting difference at this 6th pin of XOR gate IC. So we require 2 XOR gates, and we know that in a single IC of XOR gate we can implement 4 gates. So for those 2 XOR gates of full subtractor we can use single IC. Now we will verify the truth table for full subtractor. So in case when all are at 0, all the inputs are at 0, so difference and borrow will be 0. Then 0 minus 1, so both borrow and difference will be 1. So this is the case for 0 0 1. Then 0 1 0, for that also we will get difference 1 borrow 1. So we are getting difference 1 borrow 1. Then 1 0 1, so for 101 difference and borrow both should be 0. So this is for 11110. So this is for 110. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 minus 0 0. So both will not grow. And when all the three inputs are high, so difference and borrow both will be 1. So we have verified the truth table of full step tractor, and we have implemented its circuit on the breadboard. So this way you can perform both half subtractor experiment and full subtractor experiment on the breadboard. So this will be your kit.